How to fix TikTok messages not working or sending. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on search button on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply search apps. Then click on apps and notification. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on see all apps and search for TikTok. After you've found TikTok, click on TikTok. Force stop the app. Then go to storage and cache, which is below permission and above mobile data and Wi-Fi. Click on storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage. After that, simply restart your device and you're good to go after you log into your TikTok again. This is how to fix TikTok messages not working or sending. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.